Hall. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Wendy's Trailer Life. At IKEA's again. Had to exchange my daughter's dresser, and stay tuned, guys. I'm just walking. It's nice out here today. It's 45 degrees. How you getting here? So I'm just waiting here. Ooh. Had to stop and get gas.
At 12, she's giving you the $6.
City Hall. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Wendy's Trailer Life. At IKEA's again. Had to exchange my daughter's dresser, and stay tuned, guys. I'm just walking. It's nice out here today. It's 45 degrees. How you getting here? So I'm just waiting here. Ooh. Had to stop and get gas.
At 12, she's giving you the $6.
Here at the gas station. Had to pull up. I'll see y'all on my way back. So guys, I made it back in the house. Well, not actually in the house. I'm at my mom's house. But I did pick me up something from Starbucks. So I'm just sitting here looking out the window. And I'm about to go home in a few. I hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday. It's nice out.
Yeah. Mom, look, they look like this. They got blue top.
Oh, okay.
They're not that good.
How much? Oh, you got that from the dollar store?
Yeah, they're not Rubbermaids. They're not.
Oh, okay. Nothing really to do. I can't wait till we can go out and sit in the restaurants, and there's nothing really to do. I'm just here with you guys on this Saturday. Like always, making sure that I say hello to y'all. So I'm still here at my mom's, and oh goodness, look what she watching. Oh my god. She used to watch this. She used to watch westerns when I was little. Oh my god. I'm not going to sit here all day and watch this. No. She loves her westerns. You could. She was coming, guys. So she was coming, so I had to shut up. I didn't want her to hear me say I don't like westerns, but I don't. I can't get into this. I'm trying to watch it. I can't get into it. Oh my god. But the one she used to watch when I was little, it was in black and white. So I guess this is still an oldie. This is still like an old western, but it's in color. But she got me watching. I know I ain't gonna last. She don't even know. She don't know I turned the TV down. I turned it down. She in there, I think she in there cooking. Your leg must hurt. Huh? Your leg hurt?
Yeah.
You better sit down for a minute. I ain't gonna stay too long. I'm gonna go home because I'm gonna fix me something. I'm gonna go home and fix me something. You ain't have to cook nothing because I don't want nothing. I eat I had that. It's like plant-based, ground plant-based. It's like a substitute for beef. It was good yesterday. That's what I had. Stay tuned, guys. What is she chopping up? Oh, wait. What is this? What is this? Parsley? Well, I guess she was chopping up some parsley. Come here, Tony, Tony, Tony. Come here, Tony, Tony, Tony. Hi, Tony. That's what you was in here doing. Oh, that looks good. Oh, that looks really good. We got carrot, potatoes. Cause I had came in here, I seen some chopped up parsley. I'm like, she cooking. She started her dinner early. I gotta go home. You gonna beat me? I'm gonna go home and I gotta take my stuff out for tomorrow. You gonna cook your dinner for tomorrow? Your Sunday dinner.
Do you take this in your house?
Yeah. Way home, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, we woke up to another snowstorm watch. Today, I think they said we're gonna get probably 4 to 8 inches. We just got over the first snowstorm last week. Here's another one. Stay tuned, guys. So, guys, I was just sitting here and I was looking at some pictures that I had. I want to get this picture blown up of me and my children. This is I like this picture of us. I want to get it blown up to a bigger portrait, and I want to put it in my front room on a wall by itself. I want to get that done. Look how young they were. Wow, they were so young. And a grown man and grown woman now. Now they don't even take pictures with me. Like, you had to force. I don't know what it is. When kids get older, they do not like taking pictures. They think they too old to take pictures. So yeah, I want to get this picture. But we are going to take. I do want to take, because we were talking about that the other night, like taking a family portrait of every, like, all my mom, children, you know, my sister, my brother, my sister kids, my brother's children. My brother is the only one that have grandchildren, with his grandchildren, and we just wanted to take a family portrait. So I'm gonna try to get that together, but I am going to get this one blown up. I'm going to put this in my front room. I like this picture. I have a lot of, I have a lot of family picture with me and my kids, but I definitely like this one. Stay tuned, guys. I'm about to go in here and make me some breakfast, but I'm not going to show a video of me preparing breakfast. I just want to show you guys what I'm gonna cook. Well, one of the vegan products that I picked up. I'm going to show you guys that. Stay tuned. So this is what I'm cooking, y'all. This is smoked apple and sage. I showed you guys this once before in one of my other videos, one of my hauls. So I'm going to try. I already tried one of these already, just to taste it. They were pretty good. So I'm just going to and they're like links. Let me show you. They have them like links. It was 4 on here. So I'm just going to unravel this one. And stay tuned, guys. So basically, you're just unraveling the plastic off. It's plastic. And this is plant-based, and this, you could smell the apple. You could smell it. Turn this on. So you can smell the apple. And it's like pretty. It's pretty. Has a good smell to it. Like you could, it's like smoke. You can smell like the smoke smell. I'm trying to get this off without it breaking. Because I did that, when I did it before, it came right off. Let me see if I can get this off. I was trying to get it off without it breaking, but so the end of it broke a little bit, but here it is. It looks like real meat, but it's not. It's apple and sage. So this is probably like ground apple. Let me sit this down. This is like probably like ground apple with sage mixed with like plant-based. This is like really, it smells really good. So what I do is I just cut it in half. Cut it open rather. And I just lay it flat in the pan and let it fry. And I used a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit. I don't use that much olive oil. Just to get that little taste. So I'm going to wait for that to fry up, and I'm going to wash my hands, so stay tuned, guys. So that's frying up, and it pretty much fries like meat in a way, you know. It fries pretty well. I just put it in the pan because I just want to get the crunchy taste of it, like, you know, like sausage, breakfast sausage. And I'll probably just eat this with some grits. And I have my grits here. You know that the instant Quaker, the instant grits, the butter favorite. So I hope you guys are enjoying. I hope you guys enjoyed your Saturday. Also, today is Sunday, and I woke up to another winter storm. So it's snowing where I'm from, and this time we're only going to get about 4 to 8 inches. So they say it's just they said it's not going to stop until 7 p.m. So I'm not for sure. You know, you don't know with Mother Nature. You know, she controls the weather, so you don't know. I went out there when I woke up this morning. It was sticking a little bit, but I don't think it did too much right now. So I guess later on it'll probably get heavier. The snow will get heavier. So. Yeah, so I'm just going to sit here and enjoy my breakfast, and I'm going to probably go online and see where I could get that picture blown up, and I'll probably get that one blown up because I do have a picture of my son and daughter when they were like, my son was 2 and my daughter was 4.5. She was going on 5. She wasn't 5 just yet because they're 2.5 years apart. And I had that picture blown up, but it's like you know, when you get your portraits done. Back then, you used to go to J.C. Penney's and get family portraits done. That's why I got their pictures done at J.C. Penney's. And I forgot, is it a 12 by? I don't even know. It's been so long since they took that picture. I forgot. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I just want to get it a little bit bigger. And I just want to have like portraits. I just want to put like family pictures up. Because I don't really have, I have them like on the shelves. The made-in shelves that I have in my dining room. In my living room. I just have like a lot of family pictures and that inside those shelves. And then I don't have any, like a lot of them hanging up. Like, you know, like if you go in like older people's house, they always had their family pictures on their walls and stuff like that. My grandmother, she has like a photo album book. She has so many pictures of my mom and all, like my mom and all her kids when they were little and stuff like that. Like, and she, you know, she preserved the pictures so well. Like there wasn't nothing even wrong with the pictures. So that's what I want to do. I want to start preserving like old pictures. I don't want them to get messed up. So, and my mom is the same way. My mom has a photo album, and my sister also had photo albums. My sister have a lot of photos of my children, like when they were babies. I had those, but when I moved, I lost a lot of my photos and I couldn't find them when I moved. And that was a couple of years ago when I moved, and I lost the pictures, and I couldn't find some of the pictures, because it was one picture where it was a school picture, and they allowed me to bring my son to picture day to take a picture with my daughter. And it was like my daughter was sitting on top of it was like a little red Corvette looking car. You know how in the 90s when your kids took pictures with props and stuff like that. And my son sat inside the little car. And it was a school picture. They were taking pictures at pre-K, and I cannot find that picture. I don't know what happened to that picture, but I wanted to blow that picture up, because I think I only had like one 8x10 of that, and then, you know, the rest they're like 5x7s, and then they get smaller. So when I say I looked everywhere for that picture, I can't find it anywhere, because I've been like going inside of my I have like a little case of photos and stuff, so I've been going there looking, trying to find. I cannot find that picture. So I wish I could, but you know, it just brings back a lot of memories, and I just wanted to like put them around the house. So and now that they're getting older and they're soon to be mom and dad themselves, they can show their kids their pictures of when they were little. So you know, so I'm not gonna babble too much, guys. I'm gonna leave the video here, because I'm gonna finish cooking the rest of my breakfast, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys comment and like, put those thumbs up, and also share my video, and I'll see you guys again, and make sure you subscribe. Bye, guys.